Today, I want to showcase 5 different control panel layouts for my open source 3D printed arcade project. I've designed these layouts to suit a variety of gaming styles, from fighters and platformers to point-and-click adventures. The OmniDeck is one of the most versatile layouts, and it's usually the one I leave installed in the panel slot. Fight Night. The name pretty much says it all. Controller Bay, because some games just need a proper gamepad. Command Deck, for those setups that call for a keyboard and mouse. The Champion Deck, a dedicated single-player setup built for maximum control. Each panel snaps securely into place using a magnetic lock system, making swaps quick and easy. You can download the entire arcade project for free on MakerWorld, complete with all files, parts lists, wiring diagrams, and step-by-step build instructions. And if you want the full overview, don't miss my in-depth build video of the arcade cabinet. The controller bay is designed to keep your gamepads organized and ready to go. Each slot is shaped to fit modern controllers. And I've added cutouts for charging cables that route directly into the cabinet. It's a clean and convenient way to keep everything powered up without cluttering your setup. The small storage cups along the front are designed for accessories, like USB dongles, SD cards, and charging adapters. They keep all those loose little parts in one place, right where you need them. The Command Deck is built for adventure and real-time strategy games, but it's just as useful when you're working in the desktop environment. It features a cable cutout that runs down into the cabinet, letting you power your keyboard and mouse cleanly, just like on the controller bay. You've probably noticed the wall hangers I use to store all the panels. They're available for free on my Patreon. You'll find the link down in the description. By becoming a member, you'll unlock exclusive builds, access to project chats with basic support, and more detailed, in-depth videos. Next up is the OmniDeck. Easily one of the most versatile layouts in the lineup. It features an arcade stick and buttons, keycap buttons, and a mouse touch plate, giving you control options for just about any genre, from action games and platformers to strategy and point-and-click adventures. This setup adapts to almost anything you throw at it. A personal favorite of mine is using the keycap buttons for fast-paced retro games like Ninja Gaiden or Mega Man. They feel snappy and precise, perfect for those quick reaction jumps and attacks. I want to thank PCBWay for sponsoring this video, the go-to place for anything PCB related. They offer great quality, fast service, and excellent prices. Check them out through the link below. Next is the Champion Deck, a single-player layout packed with extra buttons for mode, turbo, clear, and auto. It's a layout that gives you tons of control, plus a few quality of life features, like a drink holder and a small storage cup up front. The Fight Night layout is made for those head-to-head moments. The perfect setup for a proper 2-player fight night. That's 5 layouts so far, with more to come on Patreon. And if you've enjoyed this project, take a look at my other builds, like the Entron, also free to download on MakerWorld. Be sure to check out the full arcade build video. And don't forget to like and subscribe.